Okay, gonna change the cabin air filter and the air filter for the engine. I think it's as simple as popping this thing out, which is basically just pushing on these ends and it'll drop out. Disconnect off of that. And then I think it's as simple as sliding out this tray, which I had them throw away the other filter. It was so nasty. Then it's just as simple as shoving it in there. There's a little arrow for airflow on the filter. The felt sides go against the sides and not against the front. And then it's just slide it back in, I believe, until it clicks. Then it's just line it up with those clips in the back and squeeze it back into place. This thing, you take the bottom hole and clip it right onto this little clip right here. It's kind of hard to see through that. I bet it won't be able to show it on film, but that's it. Done. Just got the oil changed. This thing has 267,500 and some odd miles. Runs like a champ. Does burn a little bit of oil. I said no to the air filter. I'm gonna do that myself. You can see where they've monkeyed around with it and taken it out. There it is. There's the nasty. Oops, there it is. It's not too bad, but I have had it out in the dust a lot, so it's probably time. Ooh, that is dumping out some. This is a new one. I doubt I can do this with one hand, but it's pretty much just shove it in like that and you're done. And it's so easy, I just can't bring myself to pay to do it. The trickiest thing is you got to get that back in before you latch this down. But that is literally it. Air filter done.